Hello everyone! Hello vlog, my name is Von. I'll show you saints to you. First one, this is Sleeping Santo Niño. Next, this is Sleeping Saint Joseph, the Dreamer. This is Infant Mary. This is Santo Bambino. This is Saint Carillus de Lelis. This is Saint Crucifix. This is Our Lady of Nazareth. This is Divine Mercy. This is Santo Cielo.
Show them closely.
This is
Saint Niño de Palaboy.
Saint Niño de Palaboy. This is Green Santo Niño de Praga. Red Santo Niño de Praga.
Show them.
This is Saint Padre Pio. This is Saint Sebastian. This is Saint Francis of Assisi.
Saint Francis Assisi.
This is Nana Pilar.
Saint
Saint Pilar, Our Lady of Pilar. This is Saint Jude Thaddeus, Saint Joseph, the husband of Mary. This is Saint Carlo Acutis. This is San Lorenzo Ruiz. Ito po si San Miguel. San Miguel. Ito po si Guardian Angel. And ito po si Christ the King.
Show them properly.
Ito po si Our Lady of Manawag. Nuestra Señora de Manawag. This is Holy Family. Saint Andrew, one of the apostles of Jesus. Next, this is Sacred Heart of Jesus. This is Nuestra Señora de Dolorosa. This is Our Lady of Piat. This is Saint Anne and Saint Maria.
You're not showing them properly. You're covering their face.
This is La Nina Maria or the Child Mary. This is Poong Nazareno. And this is Our Lady of Perpetual Help, Guadalupe. This is Jesus' head. This is Nuestra Señora de Candelaria. And next, this is Kamay ni Jesus. This is Saint Nicholas. This is Our Lady of Good Health. And this is Our Lady of
Immaculate
Immaculate
Conception.
Conception. This is Our Lady of
Fatima.
Fatima. This is Immaculate Heart of Mary or
The Lady of Grace.
Our Lady of Grace. This is Penobrancha, Our Lady of Penobrancha. And next, I'll show you my big thing. This is La Pieta. And this is Crucified Glow in the Dark. This is
Holy water fountain that ups.
This is Risen Christ. This is Nazareno. This is Risen Christ Nazareno. This is the Milagrosa. And this is baby Jesus. This is Rush Jesus. This is La Bethlehem. And lastly, this is Christ the King. Bye guys. Thank you for staying. Bye.